Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you a very powerful skin whitening serum. It is the best skin brightening serum and it also possesses anti-aging properties because the ingredients I use in making this serum are the most effective ones to give you a younger looking skin. This serum is going to repair your damaged skin by improving your facial complexion. This also reduces pigmentation, distributes melanin evenly, which results in brightening of your skin. So in getting this serum ready, we need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 vitamin E capsule. Before making this amazing mask, let me briefly explain the benefits of each ingredient I am using. Let's start with our first ingredient, which is aloe vera gel. Viewers, aloe vera makes skin lighter, smooth and hydrated at the same time. Aloe vera reduces acne, helps to lighten blemishes, acne scars and dark spots. The second ingredient is turmeric powder. Viewers, turmeric works as a magical ingredient in making your skin look more youthful and beautiful. It also improves suntan, reduces oil production in the skin. Our last ingredient is vitamin E capsule and it improves cellular regeneration, so it helps healing of the skin. So to prepare this powerful skin brightening serum, take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in a clean bowl. Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And last but not the least, add 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix all the ingredients very well and make a fine paste. Your skin whitening serum is ready. Viewers, make sure to clean your face before applying it. When you do, keep it in mind that turmeric stains easily. As much as possible, try not to get it on your clothes or anywhere else. And when you apply the mixture to your face, make sure to wear old clothes. Leave it on your skin for 20 minutes. After that, rinse off your face with water. So viewers, that's all for today. I hope you liked our video. Give it thumbs up. Please share this amazing recipe with your friends and family and make sure to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.